stop using trading indicators the wrong way. Most traders fail because they use default settings. In the next 90 seconds, I will give you a complete 3-indicator system. We will unlock the professional settings and build a high-probability trading strategy for free. Let's begin. First, go to Indicators and search for Dynamic Flow Ribbons by Big Beluga. Add it. Now stop. The default settings will fail you. Open the settings. In Inputs, change the length to 5. In Style, check every single box. This is now your trend map. Green is an uptrend. Red is a downtrend. The professional entry is the pullback. This is the foundation, but never trade with this alone. Next, add the MACD indicator, and again we transform the settings. In Inputs, change fast length to 100 and slow length to 200. Here is the secret. Change the time frame to 1 level higher. If you are on the 5-minute chart, set this to the 15-minute. In Style, turn off the MACD and signal lines. Change the histogram to an area chart. Now, green means bullish momentum. Red means bearish momentum. If there is no color, we stay out. No exceptions. Our final layer is the simplest and the most important. Add the standard volume indicator. A green volume bar must confirm a buy signal. A red volume bar must confirm a sell signal. This is your fuel check. It shows real conviction behind the move. You now have the complete system. Here is your checklist for an A+ trade. For a buy, ribbon is green. Price pulls back and closes above the ribbon. MACD is green. Volume is green. All 4 conditions must be met. For risk management, place your stop loss just below the ribbon. Aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. That's it. A powerful, complete framework for trading any market. Backtest it. Master it. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe for more professional strategies. Question for you. What indicator should I break down next? Let me know in the comments.